Hey there, it's Greg T from the Image Stop, doing a quick walkthrough for adding blog posts to your I guess your coaching service website. Now, reason we're doing this and specifying the coaching service is this is for ones for people who have taken the same course and want to make sure that they are getting everything added to their site. And this is using a site build that we don't normally use as far as the builder system is concerned. So it would be a different video from the ones that use the Divi builder. But that's okay, because we're just going to kind of walk through exactly what happens to be able to do this. So what we've done already here is we've logged into the website and we have gone to the post section and asked to create a new post. This is the beginning, is where we start there. So that's where we're going to start. Now off screen we have another post, or sorry, the content for this post all set. And yeah, we're just going to kind of go in and show you how all this works and gets added. So let's go. Here we go here. So right off the bat, you've got your your new post. It has begun. There's going to be a few things that we need to do here. First of all, we can go through the introduction here for the block editor. Normally we use the old classic editor. That's just us. That's okay. That's just the way that we manage it. But this here is going to be how you add the new ones or new things within the block builder, because that's going to be the default for this building system, the way it's been created for you. So right now we're pasting in the title that has been given to us. Now this person did add their name to it. We're going to put that too. I'm not sure that is actually needed at this point, considering the site is mainly about the person, but that's okay. You know, that's going to work fine there. What we're now doing from there is we're actually going into it. Now, this is sent in an email just for understanding how this is all being worked through. And we're going into the email and we're doing a quick copy of all the content. Literally, go into the type there, choose a block, and paste. Puts all of the content in that section for us. Okay, very nice, you know, kind of a couple different sections have been created there. This is the way it was set up in the email. Now, we're kind of looking to make sure we get spacing. So here, you know, the spacing's not quite right. Always do a review. Reason being, you know, is that sometimes, you know, the formatting does end up being a little bit different, such as the space here needs to be hard return. We've created that there. Going down here, code creation, that's correct. Grow, that is correct. One with all that is, there we are. Now this goes here. Now we're going to go here. We're going to do that's not bold, that's okay. And now we're going to go through some of the text and say, okay, some formatting is different here. This, for instance, was bolded in the copy that we received, not here. This one here is also bolded in the copy. Do that. This one is bolded as well. That one's done well. Good. One passes in. Very good there. And looks good. Now, this one here isn't working as the full hard return, so we're going to do that. And second. No, let's undo that. No, not quite what we're looking for here. There we go. And where's Mary? There it is. There. Now we notice we're getting that as a bullet point. We're going to get rid of that and just make that click there. It should turn it off. And again, don't use the builder. Make that just paragraph. No, it didn't work that way. Okay, well, that's okay. We can actually go in here, select these, and now we should be able to make these list. There we go. Perfect. That's the way it's set up in the sample we got given. Good. The frying pan is that's going to be a new hard return there. What is that is hard return there. Again, another one here. Making sure. Now this blog is fairly long. I will say, as we're doing this one, just as a point of reference for anyone watching the video, you know, and even if it is the client that we're doing this initial one for, want to just make sure that just understood that these. Oh, there we go. Let's do something here. There. That. You don't want to necessarily have these too long. Oddly enough, people aren't going to read the whole thing. So trying to break down, you know, long blogs like this into multiple, like double or 3 different blogs, something like that. Just easier for people to read. And there may be some great information. Don't get me wrong. Not saying that there's anything wrong with the information at all. But it ends up coming down that people just have a hard time with a lot of content. They tend to look, they feel overwhelmed, and they don't do anything with it. So in this case, you know, it could be a little long. Something to pay attention to, and maybe ask your clients and see what kind of feedback you get there. But yeah, here we go. I'm just making sure, again, all the formatting is as it was initially sent. That's looking good there. Good there. Going to this next title. There we have multiple bullet points and indentations happening. They appear to be working correctly. Good. Looking good. This one now is another, oops. Let's undo this. Sorry. hard return here. And we've got to get rid of that. And it was where? Personal example. This is not to be a bullet. And where's the paragraph? There we are. And then it's going to do it all of them again. Yeah, this is actually a big reason why we do not use the builder system that this one uses. Not a fan, to be honest with you, but that's okay. So we're just going to kind of do what we can to no. There we go. That changes that one to a new sections, which was what we were hoping for, so that's good there. We'll just kind of do this, and now we can make a paragraph, and that should do it. Hard to walk you through exactly what we just did because the formatting part wasn't intended to be part of this tutorial, but this is working now, so we actually have this working correctly. Oops, there we go, and put it in. Perfect. Okay, everything seems to be going the way we want now. I like that. So let's do a hard return there like we have on the sample that was sent to us. Keep going. We have a hard return after behind it. There it is. So this one ends up coming here. This is just making it easier to read, and plus is coming then and being displayed as the client did intend it to be, which is important when it comes to the overall presentation of this here. Making sure we don't get any double lines. That's good. Very good. Impressions are up to is correct there. Partnering with is the next one. So we're going to go like this. And there we go. Bolded is good, but that goes on a new line. So we'll do the same thing here. Hard return. Nice. Keep going here. Did it get rid of the other thing? No, here's what I wrote. It's perfect. Good. My life is the next hard return. Good. Everything's going there. So yes, doing the walkthrough just to make sure. And I'm sorry for if it seems a little boring if you're watching this and it's not quite what you're looking for, but it gives you an idea that there can be little errors and little things that you want to take care of. So now we've done all of the additions to, or the corrections to the formatting. That seems good. Now what we want to do is go over here to the right hand side, and we're going to go to the post section here. And it's got a section that says set feature image. What that does is it sets the image for what is viewed, on the for the post feed. Okay, so want to add that there. That's the one that was supplied there. We've got that there. That's good. And I believe that kind of sums everything up. Other than we'll look at the categories here. Categories are help you to disseminate different places on your site where you want things to be posted. Now in this case, we know that the previous blog that we were using as a quick sample was in dreams and goals, motivation, inspiration, and vision and purpose. Obviously, those are some big categories within the site. The other ones were just sample ones, and uncategorized is what they'll go into by default if you don't select one. So I'm just going to hit publish there because I think we got this. Everything seems to be there. Publish immediately. Good. Now you can add tags. They can help for searching and someone like this. As you can see, it helps users and search engines navigate your site. We do recommend to our clients, go in there, find relevant single words that work, for those particular blog entries and stuff. Yes, you can go back and do that after the fact. So excellent, something for you to do. All set. But yeah, publish. And we are done. Believe it or not, that is it. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the main website here. Take a look. We're going to go into, okay, we've seen that. Speaking of this, looking pretty good there. Should go down here. We're going to see a bit of a feed of blog entries, and there's the one that we just added right there. So if we click on that, that will go to the actual blog entry, and this is what it ends up looking like. So lo and behold, all that stuff ends up being there. Very much to the previous one, Power Within You, same idea. So it keeps everything consistent that way across the site. Now the whole share this article, you notice that's in there, that we didn't touch that on when it came to adding that. That's because it automatically goes to the bottom of each blog page. And that's it. That really sums up how to add new blogs to your website. So enjoy. We do recommend adding, 3 to 4 per month if you can. Really helps you on the search engine optimization side of things. And that, of course, is a great thing for you and being found. All right, you take care.